guys, so bihis na ako kasi pabalik na kami sa Manila and it's around 4:30 p.m. So babiyahe na kami and hindi ko sure kung saan kami dediretso. So let's see. By the way guys, grabe, 'di ba parang mga 4:30 a.m. tapos na ako mag-review. What the fudge? Hindi ako makatulog. I really feel it's because of the salted caramel I drank last night. Grabe yung caffeine. Tamang-tama ako. So until 6 a.m. gising ako. Anyways, I'm kind of appreciating my eyelashes today. Look, just look at that. Nanay ko nga pala, guys. Hi ka.
Hi.
May manunood sa'yo. So guys, yung suot ko today is ang init ng suot ko. Turtleneck, tapos 3/4 na damit. And then shorts. Bye-bye home. Bye-bye Luzana. Wait, jacket. Dami ko palang dala. Bye-bye Jon Snow! Bye na plus.
Pag nakakakit ka ng pusa.
Ano?
This tastes the best.
Ano to?
Secret recipe. Just kidding, it tastes bad.
We sat on the grass on a beautiful day. Don't need any mask, it's a beautiful day. Straw summer hat, it's a beautiful day.
Guys, di na ako nakapag-vlog. Di ba gumising ako ng mga 4:30 a.m. Tapos nag-review ko until 6:30. Kaya medyo talagang parang panda yung eyes ko ngayon. So pagpasensyahan nyo na. So guys, nakalimutan ko yung eyeglasses ko. So pabalik na naman ako sa condo. Pero yung mom ko, iiwan niya sa front desk. Hindi na naman ako tataas and mag-elevator. So, okay na din. Guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina sa school kasi sunod-sunod yung exam and super exhausting. Outfit for the day. Shirt, jeans, and Superstar. And then some bangles.
Hello, vlog.
Wait lang, I need to
Sis,
of the vlog.
Steph, and Tante, and Mika,
And Iya, and
Ipa.
Ipa.
Okay, so now we're just practicing for our lit play. It's gonna be lit. See you later.
Three, two, one, action! Ayos! Di ba, ano pa sabi mo dito? Buisit sila sa buhay ko. 3, 2, 1, action! Oh!
Vlog.
vlogger mode tayo, guys. What else na?
So, just taking over Iya's vlog. Hey guys! So, we're currently rehearsing. So, ito ang pinakamagaling na late. He arrived 2 hours late for our call time. Naka-video?
Hello, vlog!
Hello, vlog. As you can see, we're doing makeup right now.
Hair and makeup hair play.
Here's our boss. Si boss.
Direct Iya.
Direct Iya.
Guys. Sa akin yung pinilagay yung lipstick niya. Hi guys, so we're on break. We have a play later.
Wala kaming budget, so yung tent namin sa labas lang.
So dito lang kami sa labas, sa corridor.
Movies will have tents. Kami ganito lang.
Is your vlog, is it on YouTube?
Yeah, it is.
I'll start watching.
So pupunta na kami sa classroom.
Charlotte, this is it.
This is it, pansit.
Direct Iya pagod na.
Pagod na rin si Direk Mika.
Wala na.
Merci guys. Hi! We have a play today.
Kuha ka ng buhok doon sa lapag, tapos ilagay mo sa kilikili mo.
Sige na, John. Para makita namin kung kailan ka tutuguan.
Sige na!
Guys, we got our DL certificate. Parents, this is for you.
Alexandra Michelle Guy.
Second honors.
Omania Iya Luis Tarayon! First honors! Graduating. Thank you so much.
Siya yung magbe-video sa akin, guys. Thank you! You're welcome. Thank you, my supportive friend.
Of course.
Guys, I'm at the roof deck of Tutor and super duper yun. So today guys, nakakapagod yung day ko. Kaninang morning, I woke up around 8 kasi we have a practice for our play. And yung play na yun, sinabi lang last Friday and we had to execute it today, Wednesday. Ang naging practice lang namin is kahapon, Tuesday afternoon, and Wednesday morning. Pero guys, at least we had a 99 grade. So, super worth it naman yung pagod. And nag-cooperate naman yung buong class para mag-work yung play namin. Guys, nawala yung stress ko nung nakita ko ulit to. Super ganda, no? Nakakawala na stress. Sobrang hirap pala mag-vlog for a whole week. And ang hirap mag-vlog pag weekdays, school days. There's assignments and things to do, things to finish, and everything. May exams. And guys, ang dami talaga nagtatanong sa akin if my eyelashes are real. Nagugulat sila kung ano daw pinagawa ko dito or pinaperm ko ba sila, extensions. No! Wala akong pinagawa dito. Trust me. These are my natural lashes. Meron lang to ngayong mascara and curl, yun lang. Pero there's this one time back in senior high school na parang pinaperm ko yan, pero nanlagas siya. So, hindi ko na siya ulit inulit. I actually have something to do pa. I have my take-home exam, but I cannot resist this bed. It was a tiring day for all of us. Yung Filipino namin, parang yung lahat ng nireview ko, wala dun. As in. So, ano sinagot mo? Comment down below if we look alike. It's my last day vlogging, guys. Finally, day 7. And this is what I'm wearing. Shirt, I have my jacket, skirt, and then my Fila shoes, and then bangles again. Biglang umula. Oh my gosh. Galing ako sa may Aglo. I bought food kasi wala pa akong breakfast. So here it is. This is my go-to food, General Chicken. Super duper love, as in, ang sarap. I'm staying here to eat my food kasi ang aga ko. It's just like 10 and my class is at 11 pa. So dito muna ako tumatambay. Hi ka. Hi guys, babalik ako dito sa condo para lang kunin yung laptop ko kasi I have to work on paper and I'm doing it sa library. Fudge guys, di pa akong tapos and magsasara na yung library. Oh my gosh.
All library matrix. We will now turn off the lights.
Grabe talaga guys, I'm cramming. First time ko itong maranasan. It's already parang around 8 and ang submission is 9 and this is a midterms exam. I don't know what to do. And major clutch. Finally, I can eat! Please do follow me on my Instagram account at @LilySia to be updated. And that's it for a week in my life vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like the video and share it and subscribe on my channel to see more videos. I hope to see you again. Bye!